Hi friends, welcome to Vanik Smart Class. Today we are going to discuss our OSSC CGL 2022 arithmetic part. Come to the question number 1. A shopkeeper bought an article for 100 rupees and marked its price 25% above the cost price. What discount should be announced in order to make a profit of 15%? So here cost price is 100. Cost price is 100. Then mark price is 125. Then profit is 15%. So that selling price is 115. How much discount here? 10 rupees discount, because mark price is 125 and selling price is 115, so that we get the discount amount is what? 10. According to the question, what is the discount percentage? What discount should be announced in order to make a profit of 15%? So that discount here 10, discount percentage, discount by mark price, 10 by 125 into 100. 25 4 ja, 25 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 4 ja, how much percentage? 8%. So that option C is our correct answer. Option C is our correct answer. Come to the next number, question number 2. A trader marks off his goods by 120% and offers 30% discount. What will the selling price if the cost price is 750? So I write here 750. What is 750? It is the cost price. 750, it is our cost price. Then a trader marks off his goods by 120%. Then mark price is into 220 by 100, because mark price is increases 120%, that means 220 by 100. Then offers 30% discount. 30% discount means is 70 by 100. Then 0 0 0 0 cancels. Then 25 3 ja, it is 30. Then 25 4 ja, 4 it is 2 and it is 11. Then 2 it is 15. 15 into 11 into 7. 15 into 11, 15 1 ja 15, 5 1 carry, 15 1 ja 15 1, 16 into 7. 7 5 ja 35, 5 3 carry, 7 6 ja 42 plus 3 45, 5 4 carry, 7 1 ja 7 4 11. So that 1155, option D is our correct answer. Question number 2 answer what? D, 1155. Clear? Come to the next number. Kindly solve this question, question number 3. Try to solve this question, question number 3. Find the annual installment that will discharge a debt of 12,900 rupees due in 4 years at 5% per annum simple interest. Okay. So here 5% per annum for 4 years. Gautam Kahar, hi. Hi Gautam. Tell me the answer, question number 3. So here suppose we can take the each installment is 100. First installment 100. Then second installment 100, but according to the rate of interest it will be 105. Then for the 2 years it is 110. Then next year it is 100, 115. This is the 4 years amount. I write here 5 5 10 0 1 carry, 1 1 2 1 3, then 1 1 2 1 3 1 4, 430. According to the question, 430 is equal to 12900. Then 1 is equal to 30. If 1 is equal to 30, then each installment is 100. Then 100 into 30, so that each installment will be 3000. Find the annual installment. So here installment is 3000. Option D is our correct answer. Come to the next number, question number 4. A sum of money is sufficient to pay A's wage for 21 days and B's wage for 28 days. The same money is sufficient to pay the wages of both for what? So here A's wage for 21 days and B's wages for 28 days. That means according to the efficiency the wage will be distributed. That means according to the efficiency ratio the wages also the same ratio. Clear? So here 21 and 28 its LCM is 84, then 21 4 ja, 28 3 ja, so that 84 by 4 plus 3 7, 84 by 7, that is 12 days. 84 by 7, 12 days. The same money is sufficient to pay the wages for both for 12 days. Clear? If you cannot understand or any problem, then you can give your message so that we will discuss elaborately. Come to the next number, question number 5. An amount of 5,000 rupees becomes 7,200 rupees in 8 years at a certain rate of compound interest, okay, compounded annually. What will be the compound interest on rupees 6,550 in 4 years at the same rate of interest? So here an amount of 5,000 rupees becomes 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 8 is equal to 7,200. 7,200. A sum of 5,000 rupees at the rate of r% per annum for 8 years, amount will be 7,200 rupees at compound interest. According to the rate of interest in the compound interest, 5,000 rupees will be 7,200 rupees in 8 years. So that I can write 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 8 is equal to 7,200 divided by 5,000. 0 0 cancels, 2 it is 36 and it is 250 by 2 is equal to 25. So that I can write here 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 4 whole to the power 2. That means 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 8, okay, is equal to 36 by 25. 36 by 25. In another way we can write 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 4 is equal to 6 by 5. 36 by 25, its root over, it is 6 by 5. When the power is 4, 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 4, this ratio is equal to amount by principal 6 by 5. According to the question, 6550, it is our principal, then 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 4. Then 6550, 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 4 means it is 6 by 5. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja, then 1 0, so that 0, 6 1 ja 6, 13 6 ja 78. The answer is what? 7860, 7,860. 7,860 it is amount. We have to find out the compound interest. So that 7,860 minus 6550. 0, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 1310. Option B is our correct answer. This 1310. Clear? Come to the next number. Question number 6. There is 100% increase to an amount in 8 years. There is 100% increase to an amount in 8 years at simple interest. Find the compound interest of 8,000 rupees after 2 years at the same rate of interest. बहुत easy question. Please tell me the answer. So here there is a 100% increase. Suppose we can take that principal is 100, then simple interest is equal to 100, then time is equal to 8 years, but rate of interest is equal to, I can write 100 by 8. This is 12.5% rate of interest. Clear? If you put the value SI formula, then according to the P is given and the simple interest is given, then T is given. When you find the R, according to the rate of interest formula in the simple interest, SI into 100 by PT. So that SI means 100 into 100, P means here 100, T means here 8. 100 cancels, this 100 by 8. This is 12.5% rate of interest, 12.5%. Then we find here rate of interest is equal to 12.5%. Then question, find the compound interest of 8,000 after 2 years. Then 12.5% means 1 by 8. I can write amount by principal in the first year. After 1 year, or after 1 year, amount by principal according to the rate of interest 12 whole 1 by 2%, it is 9 by 8. Clear? So that 9 by 8 for the 2 years I can write 9 square 81, 8 square 64. If 64 is equal to 8,000, then 81 is equal to how much? 81, it is not 81 because 81 it is the amount and 64 is the principal. So that simple interest is equal, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. That means it's 17. 81 minus 64, it is 17. 64 is equal to 8,000, then 17. 64 by 4, 17. 80,000 by 8,000 by 4, it is 2,000. So that option B is our correct answer. If any doubt, you can tell me. Come to the next number, question number 7. An inlet pipe can fill a tank in 10 hours and an outlet pipe can empty the completely filled tank in 20 hours. Both the pipes are opened at 6:30 am. When will the tank get filled? When will the tank get filled? First answer is 10. Which answer? First answer means question number 1. First answer is 10. D. But the discount should be announced in order to make a profit of 15%. ठीक है, 8% जाओ. 10 by 125 ना mark price. Come to the next number, question number 5 finish, question number 6 also finish. Come to the question number 7. An inlet pipe can fill a tank in 10 hours and an outlet pipe can empty the completely filled tank in 20 hours. Outlet it will be empty for minus and inlet it is plus. So that we can take 10 and 20 LCM, it is 20. It fills 2 units and it empties 1 unit. That means both are opening at a time. So that the efficiency of the 2 tanks 1. It takes 20 by 1, 20 hours. 6:30 6:30 plus 20, 26.30. That means 2:30 am next day. 24 hours minus, then it will be get 2:30. 7, question number 7, answer A. Kishan Kumar, धन्यवाद. Question number 7 answer A. Come to the next number, question number 8. The distance between two places A and B is 60 km. Two cars start at the same time from A and B, traveling at the speeds of 35 km per hour and 25 km per hour respectively. If the cars run in the same direction, then they will meet after how many hours? Distance here 60 km. Two cars starts at same time from A and B, traveling at the speed of 35 km per hour and 25 km per hour. If the cars run in the same direction means 35 km per hour and 25 km per hour. In the same direction, the distance between two places A and B is 60 km. Two cars start at the same time from A and B, traveling at the speeds of 35 km per hour and 25 km per hour respectively. If the cars run in the same direction, they will meet after in how many hours? So here 35 km per hour and 25 km per hour. The relative speed is equal to 10. 60 by 10, it is 6 hours. 35 and 25. 35 minus 25, 10. 60 by 10, it is 6 hours. Option C is our correct answer. Question number 9. A car left 3 minutes early than the scheduled time in order to reach the destination 126 km. Away, in time it has to slow its speed by 6 km per hour from the usual. What is the usual speed in the car? What is the usual speed in kilometer per hour of the car? A car left 3 minutes early. Early, that means the time difference is equal to 3. Suppose usual speed is x. Okay, a car left 3 minutes early than the scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination 126 km away in time, it has to slow its speed by 6 km per hour. That means another speed is equal to, it is x minus c. According to the question, x whole into x minus 6 divided by 6 into 3 by 60 is equal to 126. Then 3 4 ja, then 3 2 ja. That is x square minus 6x is equal to 42 into 6 into 60. x minus 6, x whole into x minus 6, 3 by 60 means 1 by 20 is equal to 126 into 26 is 120. So that here 126 into 120, it is x whole into x minus 6. So that x value is equal to what? 126. So that speed of the car is 126 km per hour. Option D is our correct answer. If you solve these questions in the traditional concept, then you can write here, suppose distance is 126 km. Distance is 126 km. Then I can write 126 divided by x minus 6 minus 126 divided by x is equal to 3 minutes. 3 minutes means 3 by 60. If you solve these questions, then you will get the value of x. So that x is equal to 126 km. Come to the next number, question number 10. A tap can empty a tank in 30 minutes. A second tap can empty it in 45 minutes. If both the taps operate simultaneously, how much time is needed to empty the tank? A tap can empty a tank in 30 minutes. A second tap also empty the tank in 45 minutes. Both taps will empty the tank. So 30 and 45, its LCM is equal to suppose 90. 33 ja, then 45 2 ja. Okay. If both taps operate simultaneously, how much time it is needed to empty the tanks? That means 90 divided by 5. 90 by 5, it is 18 minutes. Option B is our answer. Come to the next number, question number 11. Two buses are moving towards each other with a speed of 20 km per hour and 34 km per hour respectively. What will be the distance between the two buses 1 second before they collide? The buses are moving towards each other with speed 20 km per hour and 34 km per hour. What will the distance between the two buses 1 second bus before they collide? So here, relative speed of the two bus 20 plus 34, 54. 54 into 5 by 18, 18 3 ja, 5 3 ja, 15 meter. Cover how much distance? That is 18 meter, 15 meter. In 1 second they cover in the opposite direction how much distance? That is 15 seconds. Clear? 15 meter. Come to the next number, question number 12. The speed of a stream is 3 km per hour. A boat goes 24 km and comes back to the starting point in 6 hours. What is the speed in kilometer per hour of the boat in still water? It is very easy question. The speed of a stream is 3 km per hour. A boat goes 24 km and comes back to the starting point in 6 hours. Suppose boat speed here x, then a river speed here 3. So that the downstream is equal to x plus 3. Then upstream is equal to x minus 3. Clear? The speed of a stream is 3 km per hour. A boat goes 24 km. Suppose the boat covers 24 km in the downstream. Downstream means x plus 3. 24 km it is distance, x plus 3 it is the speed of the downstream. So that I write here distance by speed. 24 km divided by x plus 3 plus 24 divided by x minus 3 is equal to, it takes 6 hours, is equal to 6. If you solve this question, then it is x square minus 9. It is 24x minus 72 plus 24x plus 72 is equal to 6. Plus 72 minus 72 cancels. 48x divided by x square minus 9 is equal to 6. Then I can write 6x square minus 54 is equal to 48x. Then 6x square minus 48x minus 54 is equal to 0. If you cancel this number by 6, then it is x square minus 8x, then minus 9 is equal to 0. Then x square minus 8x plus 9x minus x minus 9 is equal to 0. If you take x common, it is x plus 9. The two numbers which is multiplied both are, we get 9 and addition it is 8. It is minus 9x plus x. X square minus 9x plus x minus 9 is equal to 0. If you take that number x, x minus 9 plus 1, it is x minus 9 is equal to 0. So that x is equal to 9. Option B is our correct answer. Clear? Question number 13. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour. If the speed of stream is 4 km per hour in the same direction, time taken by boat to go 63 km opposite direction. 63 km opposite direction is what? So here boat speed is equal to 13 km per hour and river speed is 4 km per hour. Okay, a boat can travel with a speed 13 km per hour in still water. If the speed of a stream is 4 km per hour in the same direction. Same direction means boat speed and river speed in the same direction, that is called downstream. So downstream here 13 plus 4 is equal to 17 km per hour. If the speed of a stream is 4 km per hour in the same direction, time taken by boat to go 63 km opposite direction. So opposite direction means opposite direction means in the opposite direction means upstream. Okay, that means 13 minus 4 is equal to 9 km per hour. So he has to cover, the boat has to cover 63 km distance in upstream speed. 63 by 9, it is 7 hours. So that option C is our correct answer. Okay. Come to the next number, question number 14. If 7 times the 7th term of an arithmetic progression AP is equal to 11 times its 11th term, then the 18th term of the AP will be what? See here, 7 times of the 7th term, 7 times of the 7th term of an arithmetic progression. 7th term means A plus 60. It's 7 times is equal to 11 times its 11th term, A plus 10D. 7 times of a 7th term is equal to 11 times of 11th term. 7th term means A plus 6D, it's 7 times is equal to 11 times of 11th term A plus 10D. So that I can write 7A plus 42D is equal to 11A plus 110D. That means 4A is equal to 11A minus 7A. 11a plus 110d minus 7a minus 42d is equal to 0. That means 4a plus 110 minus 42. 10 minus 12 8. Then 10 minus 4 68. D is equal to 0. If divided by 4, then a plus 17d is equal to 0. According to the question, we have to find out the 8th term. 18th term. 18th term means a plus 17d. A plus 17d. This value here, a plus 17d, this value here 0. So that answer will be 0. Option B is our correct answer. Clear? Come to the next number. Tell me the question number 15 answer. Okay. It is very easy question. What is the value of x so that the 7 digit number 91876x and 2. This number is 91876x2. This number is completely divisible by 72. What is the value of x? This is the question. What is the value of x? The 7 digit number completely divisible by 72. Kishan Kumar, 15 answer D. Thank you very much. Correct answer. Correct answer. Thank you. 72. The number which is divisible by 72, we know that the number must be divisible by 8 and 9. When a number is divisible by 72, that number must be divisible by 8 and 9. You know that how we find the number which is divisible by 8? If the last 3 digit of the number is divisible by 8, the whole number, that means total number also divisible by 8. Then how we can check the number which is divisible by 9? 9 means you added all the digits of the number. If you make one digit number, that number must be 9, so that the number will be divisible by 9. That means 9, 819, 729, then 6. What is the value for x? It will be 9, 3. If the x value is 3, the whole number, that means 9187632, it is divisible by 9. Then the number is x, then x value here 3, 632. We can check by 8. 8 8 is 64, 8 7 is 56, then it is 72, 8 9 is 72. So that it is also divisible by completely 8. If the x value is 3, this number also divisible by 9 and this number also divisible by 8, so that the total number also divisible by 72. The answer is what? 3. Option D is our correct answer. Bonita Sahu, good evening, good evening. Tell me the next number, question number 16. Question number 16. Which is the largest of the following fractions? Which is the largest of the following fractions? So here 2 by 3 means 0.66. Then 3 by 5 means 0.60. Okay. Then 8 by 11, it is 0.73. Then 11 by 17, it is 0.65. Among these decimal numbers, which is the largest? 0.73. That means 8 by 11, option A is our correct answer. In another way, you can check which is the largest. How? Here, I can write 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. These are the two fractions. Which fraction is the greatest fraction? Which is the greater fraction among these two fractions? Between these two fractions, which is the greater fraction? So 5 2 is 10, 3 3 is 9. That means 2 by 3 is more than 3 by 5. 5 2 is 10 and 3 2 is 9. So that 10 and 9, which is more? 10. so that 2 by 3 is the greater than 3 by 5. Then 2 by 3 and 8 by 11. Come to the 8 by 11. Now we compare by 8, 2 by 3 and 8 by 11. 11 2 is 22, then 8 3 is 24. Which is more? 8 by 11, because 24 is more than 22, so that 8 by 11 is more. Okay. Then 8 by 11 and 11 by 17. 11 into 11 121. Then it is 136. So that 136 is more than 121. So that 8 by 11 is the greatest fraction among of these. That means largest fraction among of these. Clear? Come to the next number, question number 18. Sorry, 17. Find the number that is as much greater than 49 as is less than 95. मैंने एमती गोटे नंबर कह 49 ठारू से जी अधिका मैं गोटे नंबर अच्छी 49 ठारू जी अधिका 95 ठारू से कम. ठीक है, 49 ठारू जी अधिका 95 ठारू से कम. कैन टेल मी दिस नंबर. 49 ठारू जी अधिका 95 ठारू से कम. दैट मीन्स 49 प्लस 95 by 2. 49 plus 95 by 2. 9 5 14 1 carry 14 1 4 1 carry 9 4 13 1 14 144 by 2, so that 72 it is our correct answer. 17 answer C. Clear? Come to the next number, question number 18. Tell me the question number 18 answer. It is very easy question. Try to solve this question. निजे सॉल्व करंतु जाके आपण निजे एग्जाम देबे तो निजे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिया दरकार. किशन बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मोनिता टेल मी द आंसर. एसएसएन वर्जन एसएसए वर्जन फर्स्ट आंसर टा 8 हो तो 10 लिखि छ. ठीक अछि. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. So here 11 13 7. अरे बढ़िया ट्रिक्स है यार. देखन ये जो 11 13 7 जहाँ को डिविजिबल करेबो अर्थात तीनटा नंबर रिपीट होदवा दरकार. एठी देखन 259 259 ए तीनटा रिपीट है तो सेति पे ऑप्शन डी होबा आंसर. ओके 259 आउट आसला 259 जोटा कि 1001 द्वारा डिविजिबल होतिबो. 1001 द्वारा डिविजिबल होती. 259 259 कहीं ना 11 13 7 एलसीएम एक्सला 1001 1001. क्लियर कि एमती होई परियो 243 और 243 जे कौन सी तीनटा नंबर कोन होतो गले रिपीट होतो. ओके कम टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. These are the exam oriented questions. All questions are easy level questions. It takes only 10 to 15 seconds to solve the question. If you know how to solve the question, of if you have knowledge regarding the fundamental, definitely you will solve these questions within the timing and also maintaining your accuracy. But you have to solve the question. How you can solve the question? If you have practice such type of questions, if you will practice again and again, then definitely you will crack the exam. Come to the question number 19. Please tell me the answer. Question number 19. The HCF and LCM of two numbers is 12 and 924 respectively. Then the number of such pairs is what? How many possible pairs where the two numbers HCF is 12 and LCM is 924? Please tell me the answer. So here HCF and LCM of two numbers is 12. I can write here 12 as HCF in this way. So it is x and it is y. There are no common factors between x and y. X and y, there are no common factors. That means LCM is equal to 12 into x into y. So that two numbers are 12x and 12y. Clear? According to the question 12xy, 12 into x into y, it is the LCM. So that 12xy is equal to 924. That means xy is equal to 12 7 84, 77. Okay, 77. If you find the value of x and y, where the xy is equal to 77, so that x will be 1 and y will be 77, then x is 7, then y is equal to 11, or x is equal to 77, y is equal to 1, or x is equal to 11, then y is equal to 7. There are two possible pairs. One is 1 and 77, another is 7 and 11. Option 2 is our correct answer. Come to the next number. Question number 20. What is the least number that must be added to the product 684 into 686 to make it a perfect square? बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन एटा देखन suppose I can write 9 square minus 8 square. These are the two consecutive numbers 9 and 8. Its square difference is equal to 9 plus 8 17. Squares of two difference of squares of two consecutive numbers is equal to sum of two consecutive numbers. Suppose I can write 11 square minus 10 square. 11 plus 10 is equal to 21. Clear? So here 684 into 686. What is the least number that must be added to the product 684 into 686? I can write 685 minus 1. This is 684 into 685 plus 1. That means 685 minus 1, it is 684. Then 685 plus 1, it is 686. It will be a square minus b square. So that I write 685 square a square minus b square. That means 1 square. 685 square minus 1 square. So that answer is equal to what? 1. Answer is equal to what? 1. Option B is our correct answer. Question number 21. Bonita sir, 2 pairs. Dhanyavad ma. God bless you. Come to the next number, 21 number. Tell me the answer. आगो मन रखता तो ऑफ रा काम करवा है ना 4 काट देले एटा केता 8 देन 8 3 जा 24 minus 6 तने 18 46 plus 18 divided by आगो ब्रैकेट रा काम एटा 34 minus 6 हला 28 4 रे कालेटा 7 अब 7 3 जा 21 plus 11 11 plus 21 40 plus 10 58 60 14 तने 64 divided by 21 30 एटा हला 1 and 2 32 এটা কেতে আসবে না 2. Option C is our correct answer. Option C is our correct answer. Come to the next number, question number 22. What is the units digits of 29 to the power 136? 29 to the power 136. What is the units digit of 29 to the power 136? Madhusudan Bharadwaj is correct answer to. तबे आंसर कहतु क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 रो 9 to the power 1 is equal to 9, 9 to the power 2 is equal to 81, then 9 to the power 3 is equal to 729, 9 to the power 4 is equal to when 9 9 is 81, 1 8 carry, 9 2 is 18, 8 26, 6 2 carry, 9 7 is 63, 2 65, 6 5 6 1. When the power is odd, then you will get the 9. When the power is even, then the unit space number will be 9. So 29 to the power 136. This 136 it is the even number. So that unit space number will be 9. Okay. Come to the next number. भूल कहली 9 to the power 1 is equal to 9, 9 to the power 2 is equal to 81. जेतेबेले पावर टा इवन थिबो सेतेबेले यूनिट स्पेस नंबर टा 1 हो, जेतेबेले पावर टा ऑड थिबो सेतेबेले यूनिट स्पेस नंबर टा 9 हो. एटी 136 अछि माने एटाला इवन नंबर, तो 9 स्क्वायर हिसाब रे एटा केते 1 हो 81, तो 1 हो यूनिट स्पेस नंबर 1 हो. जेतेबेले पावर टा इवन थिबो सेतेबेले यूनिट स्पेस नंबर 1 हो, तो पावर टा ऑड थिबो सेतेबेले यूनिट स्पेस नंबर 9 हो. एटी 136 टा होची इवन नंबर, सेतिबे एटी कोन आसीबो ना 1 ही आसीबो आंसर. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. यस श्री करेक्ट आंसर, श्री लिखले 1. ठीक अछि, मोर भूल हो जाइथिला. चलंतु नेक्स्ट नंबर. व्हाट इज द एवरेज स्क्वायर ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स? अरे फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स रो एडिशन टा केते 1 टू 10 एडिशन कले केते एटा हो 55 ना. एटा अनेक थर कोआ आइछि 1 to 10, if you added this number it is 55, then 11 to 20 it is 155. Okay. Then 21 to 30 it is 255. Then first 10 natural numbers sum diala 55 divided by 10 is equal to 5.5. हला आंसर आसला केते 5.5. किंबा आपण एमिति भी करि परिबे फर्स्ट नंबर प्लस लास्ट नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. तो फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स, फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स, फर्स्ट नंबर ला 1, लास्ट नंबर ला 10, so that we have to find out the average. First number plus last number divided by 2, 11 by 2 is equal to 5.5. Option 5. Oh, average of squares of first 10 natural number. Sorry. ये क्वेश्चन कहीं average of squares of first 10 natural numbers. फॉर्मूला अच्छी जे स्क्वायर्स ऑफ एवरेज ऑफ स्क्वायर्स ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स. भूल क्वेश्चन पढ़ी, एवरेज ऑफ स्क्वायर्स ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स n plus 1 whole into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. n plus 1, that means 11 into 2n, 10 to ja 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 6. 3 7 ja, then 3 2 ja, 77 by 2. 77 by 2 means 38.5. Option C is our correct answer. 9 Prasanjit Das Papun भूल है रामर तम भूल लिखिଛ 55.5. ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି କି ଯେ what is the average of 10 natural numbers, କିନ୍ତୁ actually it is find the average of squares of first 10 natural numbers. Squares of first 10 natural numbers means the average formula like n plus 1 whole into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Sum टा मनकर sum दे था square of some natural numbers, sum of the squares of natural numbers. ठीक है जी, एटा है था कौन कहला n whole into n plus 1 whole into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. average बाहर करिया गले divided by number of numbers, तो n ने कटि गला सिति पे हला n plus 1 whole into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Come to the next number, question number 25. The average of 12 numbers is 42. The average of last 5 numbers is 40 and that of the first 4 numbers is 44. The sixth number is 6 less than the fifth and the 5 less than the seventh number. The average of the fifth and the seventh number is what? Answer कौन दो? Suppose fifth number is x. Fifth number is x. The first 4 numbers is 44. The sixth number is 6 less than the fifth number. Suppose fifth number is x. Okay. Then sixth number is equal to x minus 6. The sixth number is 6 less than the fifth number and 5 less than the seventh number. So that seventh number is equal to x minus 1. X minus 1. The sixth number is 6 less than the fifth number and 5 less than the seventh number. So here the average of 12 numbers is 42. Then total 42 into 12. 12 2 ja 24, 4 2 carry, 12 4 ja 48 plus 2 50, 504. Then the average of last 5 numbers is 40. Last 5 number means 40 into 5 is 200. Then first 4 numbers is 44 into 4. 44 into 4 it is 176. 4 4 is 16, 6 1 carry, 4 4 is 16, 1 17, 176. If we added this number 5 plus 4, there are 9 numbers. That is 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 376. 504 minus 376. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 128. Okay. 128. Then x plus x, 3x minus 7. 3x minus 7 is equal to 128. So that 3x is equal to 135. Then x is equal to 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 45. Then suppose the average of the fifth and the seventh number. One is 45, another is 44. Okay. 45 plus 44. 49 by 2. 89 by 2. 89 by 2 means 44.5. 89 by 2. 44 plus 45. It is 89. We have to find out the average. 89 by 2. 89 by 2 is equal to what I read here? 44.5. Option B is our correct answer. Come to the next number, question number 26. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in the 17th innings and thus increased his average by 3. Find his average after 17th innings. Okay. So here, suppose 16th matches average is X. Then sum of the 16th matches score sum of the 16th match score 16x, and in the 17th innings the run is 87 divided by total number of matches 17 is equal to x plus 3. Then I can write 16x plus 87 is equal to 17x, 17 3 is 51. So that x is equal to 87 minus 51, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, then 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, 36. Then question here, find his average after 17th innings. 36 plus 3, 39, option will be A, because 16th average we get 36, when we add the 17th innings run, that average will increase 3 plus 3, 36 plus 3, 39. Option A is our correct answer. Clear? Come to the next number. Question number 27. When x is subtracted from each of 21, 20, 60 and 64, the numbers obtained in this order are in the proportion. What is the mean proportional between x plus 1 and 7x plus 8? When x is equal to 8, when x is subtracted from each of 21, when x is equal to 8, then 21 minus 8 divided by, when x, suppose we consider x is equal to 8, 21 minus 8 divided by 22 minus 8 is equal to 60 minus 8 divided by 64 minus 8. 60 minus 8 divided by 64 minus 8. Then it is 17, 21 minus 8, sorry, 21 minus 8, 13 by 22, 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, then 14 is equal to 60 minus 8 is 52, 64 minus 8 it is 56. Then it is also 13 by 40. 13 by 40. Clear? Then x plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. X plus 1. X plus 1 means 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 7x plus 8. 7 8 is 56 plus 8 is 64. We have to find out the mean term. Mean term is equal to 9 into 64 its root over. That means 9 3 and it is 8. 8 3 is 24. Option C is our correct answer. Come to the next number. In a partnership business, B's capital was half of A's. In a partnership business, B's capital is half of A's. Suppose B's capital is half of A's, we consider A is equal to 2x, then B is equal to x. If after 8 months B withdraw half of his capital, after 8 months B withdraws half of his capital, and after 2 months more A withdraw 1/4 of his capital, then the profit ratio A and B will be what? If after 8 months B withdraw into 8, sorry, if after 8 months B withdraw half of his capital, suppose I can take this number is 4x and it will be 2x, so it will be easy. Suppose A is equal to 4x, then B is equal to 2x. After 8 months B withdraw half of his capital into 8 plus x into 4, and after 2 months into 10, A withdraw 1/4 of his capital, 1/4 means E plus 3x into 2. 4x into 10, it is 40 plus 3x into 2, it is 46x. A's investment 46x, then it is 8 to 16x plus 4x, it is 20x. 16 plus 4x, 20x. 46x and it is 20x. The profit ratio x cancels, 2, it is 2, 46 by 2, 23, and 20 by 2, it is 10. 23 by 10. 23 by 10. Option D is our correct answer. Option D is our correct answer. 23 by 10. Come to the next number, question number 29. Akash Lucky, one doubt. कौन doubt कौन कहलिस ना हो. Come to the next number, question number 29. Incomes of A and B are in the ratio of 5:3 and their expenditures are in the ratio 9:5. If income of A is twice the expenditure of B, then what is the ratio of savings of A and B? देखो इनकम्स ऑफ ए एंड बी आर इन द रेशियो 5:3. 5x and it is 3x. And their expenditures are in the ratio 9:5. It is 9y and it is 5y. It is income and it is expenditure. If income of A is twice the income of A is twice the A's income of A is twice the expenditure of B. Expenditure of B. So here we have to find out the savings ratio. Income of A 5x, income of B 3x. Expenditure of A 9y and expenditure of B 5y. So here 5x minus 9y, it is the saving ratio, savings. Income minus expenditure, income 5x and expenditure 9y, so that savings is equal to 5x minus 9. Same thing also here, 3x minus 5y. Then one data is given in the question. If age income means 5x by, if income of A is twice the expenditure of B, expenditure of B 5y, that means 2 by 1. So that 5x and 5y, x by y is equal to 2 by 1. That means x value here 2, then y value here 1. 5 to 10 minus 9 1, then 3 to 6 minus 5 1. This ratio is equal to 1:1. Because एटी x रे value केते हला ना 2, एटी 5 cancel है हला, x रे value 2, 5x माने 5 2 जाएगा केते हला 10, 9y माने 9 into 1 जाएगा केते हला 9, 10 minus 9, या 10 minus 9 हला एटी हला 1. सेम एटी 3x, x रे value हला 2, 3 2 जाएगा 6, एटी y रे value हला 1, 5 into 1 हला 5, ताने 6 minus 5 हला एटी हला 1. ताने दीटा का रेशियो केते हला 1:1. Option B is our correct answer. आकाश कोडा डाउट अछि टे कोन 21 नंबर ना कोन पचालेस ना 21 नंबर डाउट हला कोन 21 नंबर कैलकुलेशन ता डाउट 30 number there is a ratio of 5:4 between two numbers. If 40% of the first is 12, then 50% of the second number is what? There is a ratio of 5:4. Suppose one number is 500, another number is 400. जेते percentage असतो मो 100 नहीं गली 500 400. से कहूची between two numbers. If 40% of the first number is 12, ताने 40% आर 40% टा केते हबो 40% माने 200 हबो. Then the 50% of the second number is what? आर 50% is बोले 200 टा केते हबो. ताने ये 200 टा मोर केते देला ना फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ 40% हला मोर 200, फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ 40% टा 200 हला ठीक अछि. ताने 200 टा जदी मोर 12 हला सेकंड नंबर ऑफ 50% भी 200 तब ए 200 टा भी से कोन हबो ना 12 हबो. So that option A is our correct answer. 30 answer A. 31 number कौन 31 number. C correct answer 1:1. C 12 is the correct answer. Very good. तो अनुमान जवन देखु चंदे काइंडली आंसर दियंतो. भूल हेले ठीक है कौन सा ठीक. Two alloys contains tin and iron in the ratio 1:2 and 2:3. If two alloys are mixed in the proportion 3:4 respectively by weight, the ratio of tin and iron in the newly formed alloy is what? It is 1:2 and it is 2:3. That means it is 5 and it is 3. तो आमे कौन करिया ना दुटा को समान क्वांटिटी कर दो. ताने इथरे 5 मल्टीप्लाई करबे इथरे 3 मल्टीप्लाई करबे. ताने 5 1 जा 5 5 2 जा 10 जोटा 15 है. इट इज 3 2 जा 6 3 3 जा 9. एटा को रेशियो मिसियो ना इथरे 3 टाइम्स आइसो. 3 5 जा 15 3 10 जा 10. इट इज 4 टाइम्स है. 4 6 जा 24 4 9 जा 36. आम क्वेश्चन पचार द रेशियो ऑफ टीन एंड आयरन ताने 15 आउ 24 एडिशन कले एटा केते होछ 39 36 10 हला 46 39 एटा लागे तो 46 4 6 जा 24 4 9 जा 36 then 3 5 जा 3 to 4 3 5 जा 15 3 10 जा 10 15 plus 10 20 plus 10 35 for 39 then 36 plus 10 30 10 46 अच्छा अच्छा two always contain tin and iron in the ratio suppose it is 1/3 and it is 2/5 clear but this ratio will be mixed in the ratio of form 3:4 the ratio of tin and iron newly formed alloy we have to find out this ratio. So here this difference is equal to how much? That means 1/3 minus 2/5. It is 15. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 3 2 ja 6. 1/15. This 1/15 will be distributed in this ratio 3:4 divided by 7. That means 1/105. It is 4/105. It is 3/105. Clear? So 2/5, 1/3 is less. 1/3 plus 4/105. We will take LCM. It is 105. It is 35 plus 4, 39. Then 105 minus 39. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Then 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Then 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 66. 39 by 66. Okay. Then 3 it is 13 and 3 it is 22. 13 is to 22. So that option B is our correct answer. Very good. Come to the next number. Question number 32. Seven liters mixture of milk and water contains 30% water. 7 liters mixture of milk and water contains 30% of water. 3.5 liters of milk is added to this mixture. What is the percentage of water in the new mixture? From the 7 liter, 30% is water. That means 7 3 is 21, 2.1 liter water. 7 minus 2.1, it is 4.8, 4.9, sorry. 4.9 liter milk. 7 liters mixture of milk and water contains 30% water. 3.5 liters of milk is added. So here 3.5 liter milk is added. That means 9 5 14 4 1 carry 4 3 7 1 8. 8.4 liter milk. Then 2.1 liter water. Okay. What is the percentage of water in the new mixture? New mixture केते हला ना एटा अछि 7 liter थिला तो 3.5 हमर ऐड हला त माने 10.5 हला 10.5 रु 2.1 होची आपनकर कोन ना वाटर ठीक अछि इट इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज 21 5 is 105 100 by 5 it is 20%. It is 20%. Option C is our correct answer. 32 answer C. Come to the next number 33 number. If A earns 25% is more than B, then how much percentage does B earns less than A? Tell me the answer. बहुत easy question एटा. Sri, Akash, Prasanjit, Madhusudan, Bonita, Kishan, tell me the answer. This is the very easy question. If A earns 25% more than B, then how much percentage does B earns less than A? Yes. Kishan 33 answer B. Okay, good. बहुत easy question है. If years B is 100, then A is equal to 125. So पचास आठ रोटा कितने लेस अच्छी. तमाने 25 लेस अच्छी. 25 by 125 into 100. 25 5 जा 100 by 5 it is 20%. 34 number. If A is 28% more than B and C is 25% less than A, less than the sum of A and B. A is 28% more than B. Suppose B is 100, then A is equal to 128. And C is 25%, C is equal to C is 25% less than that of sum of A and B. 128 plus 100. 228, it's 375%, means 3 by 4. 4 5 ja 20, 4 7 ja 3 7 ja 21, 1 2 carry, 3 5 ja 15 and 16. 160, sorry. 3 7 ja 21, 102 carry, 3 5 ja 15 to 17. C value are 171. Then what percentage will C be more than A? How much more? 171 minus 128. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 43. Okay. Then 43 by 128 into 100. 43 by 128 into 100. 43 by 128 into 100. It is 33.59. 33.6%. Is option D is our correct answer. Option D is our Prasanjiti, Bonita, Arvinda Muddili 33 answer B. समस्त आंसर देइछन्ति. श्री आंसर देइछि 20. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नेक्स्ट नंबर चलन दो 35 नंबर. number. Is the last question. Income of person A is 45,000 and his expenditure is 33,000. If his income is increased by 22% and expenditure is increased by 11%, then what will the percentage increase in his savings? Then what will be the percentage increase in his savings? Suppose first savings before increasing income is equal to 45,000, then expenditure is equal to 33,000, then savings is equal to 0, 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 12,000. Income of person A is 45,000, it increases 22% into 22 by 100. So that 0 0 cancels, 22 0 ja 0, 22 5 ja 110, 0 11 carry, 24 22 4 ja 88, 80 plus 11, it is 9,900. 45,000 plus 9,900, it is 54,900. It is the income. 54,900 it is income. Then 33,000 it's 11%. 11 by 100, 0 0 cancels, 11 0 जा 0, 11 3 जा 33, 33 carry, 11 3 जा 33 plus 3, 3630. Then 33,000, it is increasing amount 3630, then expenditure is original expenditure 33,000. It is 36630. 36630. Then difference is equal to, savings is equal to 54,900 minus 36,630. So that 0, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, then 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, then 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, 18270. 18270 and before savings 12,000. वर्तमान सेविंग है केते ना आपन करला 18,270, आगुरी सेविंग करथला केते ना 12,000, तमने केते अधिका डिफरेंस आसला केते ना 6,270. ठीक अछि 6,270 divided by 12,000 into 100. 30 0000 cancel, 00 cancels, 12 5 is 60, 12 2 is 24, 52.25. Option D is our correct answer. Option D is our correct answer. Okay. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आमर प्रत्येक वीक रे आमे किछि किछि क्वेश्चन आ नेक्स्ट वीक रे आमे डीआई क्वेश्चन किछि सॉल्व करबा. यदि आपण माने क्वेश्चन के निजे सॉल्व करी आंसर दियन तो बहुत बढ़िया होंदा. तो आपण यदि डिपेंड करिवे कि क्वेश्चन रो सॉल्यूशन मो पाखरु पाया पय बेसी किछि लाभ होबने आपनकर खाली बुझी परिबे हां एम्ति माने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हेई परछु बोली, किंतु आपण निजे करंतु ताकि आपनकर प्रैक्टिस होबो एवं आपण निजे मध्ये एग्जाम क्वालिफाई कर परिबे. ठीक अछि. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. Bye.